your illuminated vent replacement. Take out the crowbar. Insert the skid plate from this position. Then pry it out. This board can be taken out. Okay, then take it out. Then there are only 4 clips on the back. One here, then the bottom 2. We first use tools to hold these 2 above. Take out the above the first. And there's another clip down here. Let's take it with our hands. Just pull it. And it's the same here. There is also a clip here, this position below. Same method. Let's reach in and pull it out. This outlet is taken out. Remove the original trim ring. Keep pushing out. Just push this ring out. Remove this knob from the original car. Prepare to hold the knife against this clip. Here's one to hold it. Turn it up. And then there's another one that's also resistant to clips hold. As soon as you pull it out, it comes out. Be careful of this. I'll take this out as a whole. After loosening, it's here too. Otherwise I can't get out. Pull it out like this. I took it out. Don't drop the spring and put it back. Let's put that aside. Then take out the 2 brackets we equipped. Then this bracket has written on it. You see one with 205,213 written on it. We found this bracket that says 213. Put this in. It goes through here. Look at this clip tucked into the seam exactly half a turn. After getting stuck in, let's put this together. Clip right. Just push it inside. Then get stuck on this. Align the clip, just push it inside. Then cart the lamp holder up. Then take out these 2 silver rings we matched. Find the spot and tuck it in. There are 2 clips on the top and bottom. They are also to hold, around and tucked in. Push it in. Optimistic about pushing it inside. Let's put the trend back on now. Just press the clip. Then we can walk this way. The line goes this way down here. Then push this down. After installing, push it inside, clip in place. And the line goes along this side, go straight to the front socket lights. Then unscrew the 2 screws here. After the screws are screwed off, remove the board. Press down. Take out this module patch cord. After taking it out, unplug the socket light plug. Unplug that plug. After pulling it out, plug it together with the adapter cable. Then plug this end in this position. It's for a trim. Otherwise it can't be plugged in. Trim this plug. Trim it. Then put it through the socket lamp. Then plug it in with the socket light and it's okay. Then put the line card back. And now the foot socket light is transferred out. This extra head, we take the module and plug it into this head. 5pn pair plugged together. Run out this head, plug it into the 5pn of the module. How to connect the rear discharge trend. After the discharge trend, it has 2 plugs, 1 male and 1 female. Plug this female head into the module. The line is connected. We can light up the trend in the back row. Then just install the module.